Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. As a student, Gates excelled in elementary school, particularly in mathematics and sciences, At 13, he was enrolled in the Lakeside School, Seattle's most exclusive preparatory school, when he was in the 8th grade, the school mothers used proceeds from Lakeside's rummage sale to buy an ASR 33 teletype terminal and a block of computer time in a General Electric computer, Gates took an interest in programming the GE system in BASIC and was excused from maths classes to pursue his interest, after the Mothers Club donation was exhausted, he and other students sought time on other systems, including DEC, PDP, mini computer, One of these systems was a PDP-10 belonging to Computer Center Corporation, which banned the Lakeside students for the summer after it caught them exploiting bugs in the operating system to obtain free computer time, paragraph change. At the end of the ban, the Lakeside students offered to find bugs in CCC's software in exchange for free computer time, full stop. Gates went to CCC's offices and studied source code for various programs that ran on the system, not only in BASIC but Fortran, LISP and machine language as well, full stop. The arrangement with CCC continued until 1970, then it went out of business, full stop. The following year, Information Science Inc. hired the Lakeside students to write a payroll program in COBOL, providing them not only computer time but royalties as well, full stop. At the age of 14, Gates was dexterous enough to form a venture with Ellen, called Traf Zero Data, to make traffic counters based on Intel 8.008 processor, full stop. That first year, he made 20,000 US dollar, however, when his age was found out, business slowed down, full stop. Paragraph change. Since beginning, Bill Gates was on the lookout for opportunities, full stop. So, after reading the January 1975 issue of Popular Electronics that demonstrated the Altair 8800, Gates contacted MITS bracket micro instrumentation and telemetry systems bracket comma the creators of the new microcomputer full stop. He informed them that he and others were working on a basic interpreter for the platform full stop. MITS President, Ed Roberts, agreed to meet them for a demo, and when Gates demonstrated his work, it was a success. Full stop.